Benjamin Shine, a New York-based artist, has carved a distinctive mark in the art world by transforming fabric, particularly tulle, into mesmerizing works of art. His creative journey is deeply rooted in his family's legacy in the clothing business, where he found inspiration to explore fabric as a new medium. The pivotal moment during his teenage years, when his shirt designs were embraced by a fashion company, marked the beginning of his exploration into the creative potential of fabric. Shine's artistic evolution stems from a fundamental desire to create original garments. Departing from traditional painting approaches, he envisioned fabric as the paint itself, leading to the groundbreaking concept of painting with fabric. This shift opened up new avenues of creativity, allowing him to reimagine the artistic process and challenge conventional boundaries. A significant turning point in Shine's career was marked by the creation of the Hands piece. Executed on a larger scale, 4 meters by 3 meters, it served as a canvas to showcase the glory of the fabric medium beyond the constraints of a conventional frame. The artistic process involves a rhythmic and harmonious relationship between the artist and the fabric, where every movement aligns to create a piece that feels complete. While earlier works focused on realism and perfection in portraits, Shine's recent exploration involves embracing the intrinsic qualities of the fabric itself. Tulle, with its light, delicate, fragile, and feminine nature, becomes a canvas for the artist to play with these inherent characteristics. This shift allows him to tap into the essence of the fabric, resulting in artworks that reflect its unique qualities. Recognizing the natural connection between tulle and ballet, Shine sought to deepen this association. Through vibrant colors and dynamic compositions, his photographs capture the fleeting moments when the energy of dance converges with the delicate fabric. Effortlessness becomes a central theme in these pieces, mirroring the graceful movement of tulle, forming images that vividly encapsulate the energy and beauty of dance. Benjamin Shine's artistic journey is a testament to the power of reimagining traditional mediums. From his roots in the clothing business to his innovative approach to fabric as a painting medium, Shine's work stands at the intersection of creativity, tradition, and contemporary expression. His ability to capture the dynamic essence of emotion through the delicate medium of tulle pushes the boundaries of artistic expression.
Well, that's all for today. If we satisfied your curiosity, give this video a like and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay weird, art friend.